Thanksgiving is over and the holiday season is officially here. And that probably means that you're gonna be buying gifts for people in your life and hopefully you'll be getting some in return as well. So if you love crypto and NFTs or someone in your life loves crypto and NFTs, well this video is gonna give you 10 great ideas for that person in your life that just can't get enough crypto. Also, if you go buy some of these gifts for yourself, no judgment, I do the same thing. My name is Devin Cook, let's talk about crypto gifts and welcome back to DevMoney. And before we get into it, there are gonna be links for all of these items down below in the description, and also keep in mind that I've not been sponsored by any of these items I'm showing. They're all just items that I think are pretty cool or would make pretty cool gifts for people that you know. And I'm really just judging that by things that I think would be pretty cool gifts to receive for myself. And if you have any other great ideas, make sure to leave them down below in the comments. Now the first gift idea is gonna be a crypto wallet, and specifically the Ledger hardware wallet. The Ledger Nano X wallet is the one that I use for myself and all of my crypto and NFTs. And while it's not without its flaws and it has been a bit buggy this year, Ledger has updated it recently, which makes it much easier to use, and I still recommend it. And if you hop onto the Ledger website, there's gonna be a couple of different options that you can choose from. You're gonna have the Ledger X, which is the one I use, and then you're also gonna have the Ledger S. Now there's a couple of main differences. If you're looking at the Nano S, you're gonna have less storage capacity on the device itself. You're not gonna have as high resolution of a display, and it's gonna be about $60 less than the Nano X. So if you're looking to get this as a gift idea for someone that's really into crypto already and they're very experienced, probably go with the Nano X because it's gonna have a couple more features and they're probably gonna appreciate having the higher end model. If you're getting it for someone that's just brand new to crypto, go for the Nano S because it's gonna have more than enough capabilities for them. And the second gift idea is also a hardware wallet, but this time it's the Trezor hardware wallet. Now Trezor and Ledger are competing brands and they both make excellent products. And I just got the Trezor Model 1, and so I'll be releasing new videos, new how-tos, new setups, and new tutorial videos all about this new hardware wallet. And so if you are looking to get the Trezor, there's gonna be a couple of different model options just like with the Ledger. And the first option is gonna be this here Ledger Model 1. That's the one I have right here for myself. It's priced at $63 and it's gonna be really great for everyone that you know that's really just getting into crypto or into NFTs. And your next option is gonna get the Trezor Model T. And this option is gonna have a much higher resolution display. It's gonna have some better backup options for your seed phrase. And also it's gonna support a couple of more cryptocurrencies. The most notable one is Cardano. So if you're looking to get this for yourself or for a gift for someone that's just brand new, go with the Model 1. But if you're looking to buy it for someone really immersed into the crypto space, go with the Model T. And when it comes to picking between Trezor and Ledger, it really comes down to picking between Ford and Chevy, or iPhone and Android, or Samsung, LG. They're extremely comparable products. They're both very good. They're both extremely well known in the crypto industry, and either option is gonna work great for whoever you're buying it for. And option number 3 is gonna be another crypto wallet, but this one is a bit different. This is a non-electronic, 100% cold storage crypto wallet known as the BALLET crypto wallet. And this is a very interesting product that I just got in my hands, and I'm also gonna be releasing some more videos about this. But basically the product itself is just a physical credit card that's made out of metal that has all of your data, your information, your wallet phrase, and everything you need, so that way you can send and receive cryptocurrencies. And like with all other crypto wallets, you do have a couple of different options. Their main product is this Real series, which is really attractive because it's only $35. And you are gonna see on their website a couple of different options when you go and look at these wallets. Some are gonna have the Bitcoin symbol, some are gonna have Ethereum, some are gonna have Dogecoin, and that's really just based on your preference of what logo you want to be on your wallet or your card. But keep in mind that these crypto wallets can support many different cryptocurrencies, not just the one that's the logo on the card. So the BALLET Real crypto wallet is a really great starting point for most people in the crypto space. There are some really great things about this wallet, but there's definitely some drawbacks as well that you need to be aware of, and I'll be talking about those in my full review video next week. And just like the Ledger and Trezor, where they have the lower end models, BALLET also has a higher end models meant for the pro, and it's called the Pro Crypto Wallet. And this Pro wallet is geared for those people that are really into the crypto space already, and it's gonna solve some of the drawbacks that come from getting the Real wallet. And keep in mind, I'm gonna be talking about all of those in a video next week. So make sure to subscribe and get notified to stay updated. Now the fourth gift idea is gonna be CryptoSteel. Now if you're not aware, whenever you're setting up one of these hardware wallets, or you're setting up a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, you're gonna get a seed phrase. And the seed phrase is gonna be required to gain access to your account if you need to set it up on a new device, or if you get locked out of it somehow. And if you ever lose this seed phrase, there's no way to recover it, and you will lose access to all of your crypto and NFTs. So it's really important to store it offline and in a place that it won't get damaged or destroyed. And that's where CryptoSteel comes in. Because CryptoSteel, as you see here on the Ledger website, is basically a metal device, and you're gonna use it to store your seed phrase. What you're gonna do is you're basically gonna get these little metal pieces, and you're gonna put them on this little piece of steel in the order that's gonna match up with your seed phrase. So all of these these little metal stamps are going to have a letter on it, and then you're just going to spell out your seed phrase and then put them on that little steel pole in that order. You can then go put your crypto steel in a safe or in a safety deposit box if you want maximum security. And this option from Ledger can be a bit pricey, so if you do want another option, Amazon has some really great options for you. And I do like this one where it's basically a big sheet and you're going to stamp the letters that line up with your seed phrase. And this one's only $35, has great reviews, and this is going to be a really good option if you're trying to save money but you want to accomplish the same purpose. Now the fifth option is to send that special someone some meme crypto, and by that I mean something like Shiba Inu or something like Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a great option because it's really the gateway drug into crypto, and so if you're really into crypto and you want someone you know to get into crypto, send them some Dogecoin and chances are they might get more interested. And to send them some Dogecoin or any other crypto, all you're going to need is their crypto wallet address, and then you just go buy it on Binance or on Coinbase and then send it to their wallet address. And it's very simple, very easy. And another great crypto meme coin to get them would be Shiba Inu. It's been all the rage, you've probably heard about it in the news, and the cool thing is you can actually turn someone into a millionaire really easily and extremely cheaply by sending them Shiba. Because if you come onto Coinbase at the time of making this video and you come on to buy 1 million Shiba Inu, all that's going to cost you is $41.39. And no, obviously they're not going to be a traditional US dollar millionaire, but at least they'll be a Shiba Inu millionaire, and that's just as cool, right? So those are two really great options. If someone that you know is really into meme coins, they love Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, they love Elon Musk, either send them Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, and chances are they're going to be really appreciative. And option number 6 is to send them some large cap cryptocurrencies or NFTs. And so for those, you're going to have your traditional options. You're going to have Bitcoin, you're going to have Ethereum, maybe Solana or Cardano are going to be great options for somebody that you want to give some crypto to, and maybe you want them to have a crypto that's been around for a lot longer and has some more utility than Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. And yes, keyboard warriors, I know that Shiba Inu in the future should have some pretty cool utility, and maybe even Dogecoin as well. And in terms of NFTs, you got a lot of great options you can send somebody. You can send them a Bored Ape from Bored Ape Yacht Club if you're a high roller. You could send them a Doodle, a Cool Cat, a VFriend, or a Meebit. And yes, I know a lot of those NFTs are quite a bit of money, and that's why you could get them something as well from Sandbox Assets. You could go with Art Blocks, or even Zedrun would be a great option for an NFT that is really well priced. And option number 7 is to get someone some physical Bitcoin. And you're probably thinking, wait,
hold on, Bitcoin's not physical, it's crypto, it's not physical, that's kind of half the point.
Well, you can get someone some physical Bitcoin coins off of the internet, and it's pretty cool to have one. You can show them to people, and it's really just kind of a cool thing to have. And there's a couple of different options. Here on Amazon, you've got the Dogecoin coins, 4 pieces, $8.99, and they're gold. They're in these protective acrylic cases, and they're really just pretty cool. And then if you want to go more traditional, you've got Bitcoin, and here you've got them in 3 different colors. You've got more of a bronze, a silver, and a gold. $8.99 as well, 3 pieces. They look really nice, also in their acrylic packaging, and so that's a great option. And if you want to give someone a bit more variation in terms of the total coins they get, you can go with one of these 6 packs right here. It's a bit more expensive at $25, but you're going to get Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin. I think this is Filecoin down here on the bottom right, kind of an odd one to add in there. But overall, it's a pretty cool pack. They're made out of metal, and they're just a pretty cool thing to have. And option number 8, and this is one of my all-time favorite gift ideas. I'm hoping to get this one myself, and I might be one of those people that just buys it for myself because I think it's so cool. And that is an LED price ticker. You're probably thinking, what on earth is that? Well, I'll show you. And this right here is on Etsy, and it's basically a price ticker. You can program it to track a bunch of different things: stocks, weather, baseball games, football games, all kinds of stuff. And so you can see right here, it's tracking Microsoft stock. You can put it up on your wall. You can have it track Bitcoin. You can have it do the weather. You can have it do all kinds of different things. And for me, I think it's just something cool to have in an office, have it in a bit of a man cave of some sort. And it's really just a neat way to visualize the price of an asset like Bitcoin or like Apple stock or Tesla stock or anything else like that. So definitely a bit more on the pricey end at $300, but I think it's a really great option. And this is the best implementation of this device that I've seen online. There are some that you can get for cheaper, but from my perspective, this is the best all-around crypto stock ticker tracker that you can find. And option number 9 is to get somebody a crypto miner. If you want to really make someone's holiday season, get them something that they can use to make themselves more money and even make money passively, which is super cool. And in order to do that, you'll need to get someone a miner. And now these can be extremely expensive, be aware, but if you have that kind of a budget, it's a pretty cool thing to get somebody. And you can see these Bitcoin mining options right here. So you've got the Antminer S19, the Antminer S19 Pro, the Antminer T17 at $1,900, which in my perspective is really about the cheapest you're gonna wanna go to get a quality miner. And I know $1,900 is a lot, but it's a lot better than this S19 Pro that's sitting at $15,000 to $17,000. So if you do have quite a bit of a budget, this is an excellent option. And if someone's really techie and they're really into crypto, this is something that they're just gonna love. And option number 10 is to get someone some crypto merch by going on to thecryptomerch.com, and you're gonna see a bunch of different options. So if you come down here to products, you can go over to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and you can just see a bunch of different things. They have hats, they have mugs, they have mouse pads, they have beanies, they have pillows, and there's a bunch of different options. There's even a backpack down here, which is pretty cool. And so if you wanna just get someone something that's crypto related, but you're not really sure, come onto this website and you're probably gonna find something that you really enjoy and that the person that you're gonna buy it for is also gonna really enjoy as well. So that's all. Let me know in the comments down below which of these you're gonna be buying for that special someone in your life. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.